Welcome to IPCOM Captive Portal Step-by-Step Setup Guide. Click on top right corner and check router mode is selected. Check statistics of terminals such as online users and online access points. Go to Network tab and check WAN and LAN port connected. To Access Point tab and click on SSID policy and enable SSID IPCOM Dubai. And check the status of SSID. And click on Portal Customization, select Image Template and set Portal Page. Set logo of recommended aspect ratio, set the title. Authentication, and then set the background image. Click on promotional URL and add website link so the user will see main website when get authenticated. Leave the login delay as default and set terms of use. Click on Save. Click on Authentication. Type and click on Add to add policy name and authentication type as account, set idle timeout and expiration time in minutes, and leave other option as a default. Click on guest policies and add guest policies. Like interface, you can set default VLAN click. On portal server and select internal portal, plus select the portal already customized earlier. Authentication type and radius server as internal radius and policy timeout as default click. On user list and check the device's status, click on. Authentication free policy and add devices that no need authentication like wired terminals and save. Click on user list again to verify. Click. On account and add account and password details. Need to set digits with characters. Click on Charging Policy and add charging policy for the users using Wi-Fi with period of time. Select. Charging policy defined in the account options and account balance in USD. Click on MAC bind if you want to bind. The MAC of user to the account. Click on number of shared users and set according to the requirement, then click on Save Verify. The account details connect the phone with SSID IPCOM Dubai and add the username and password. Click on Login. We'll get connected to Wi-Fi using captive portal.